Okay guys, it's me Imad. So today in this video tutorial, you will learn about how to make a motion detector circuit simulation with the Arduino Nano. So the compiler which we are using is the Wokwi online compiler. So first of all, you need to open the Google web page, and here we will write Wokwi. Wokwi is an online simulator. Here you can find a lot of microcontrollers. So here you can see that there are UNO, ESP32, STM32 and BiPico. Now we will click on Arduino, and here we will click on Arduino Nano. So this is our Arduino Nano. Okay. Now we are going to simulate the circuit of motion detection. So for it we need to go for our PIR sensor, and this is our PIR sensor, that is motion sensor. And you can see that there are 3 pins, one with the plus sign, the second is with the D alphabet, and the third is with the minus sign. So VCC is actually this positive sign pin, so we will go for VCC symbol. So this is my VCC symbol, so we need to click on this plus sign and click and connect it with the VCC. The next is with the ground symbol. Okay, like this. The middle one is with the D, and we need to connect it with the any pin of the Nano. Okay, but here I am connecting it with the digital pin D8. Okay, when any sort of motion has been detected or any object is there in front of PIR sensor, we can say that there is one digital signal from this D out pin to the D8 pin of the Arduino Nano. So here we will write pin mode in void setup and 8 input. So we have declared in void setup, we have declared our pin number 8 as the input, so that we can now read any sort of digital data on input pin number 8. And in while loop we can write into A is equal to digital read of 8, pin number 8. So digital read is a function which will read the data that is 0 or 1 is there on pin number 8, and then after reading the signal, the status or data must be stored inside this variable A. Okay, and we can write here serial dot println A. Okay, and after this we also need to display data on serial monitor, so we are just doing this. So also, as we have used the serial communication here, so in void setup we also need to write serial dot begin. This will initialize the serial communication at 9600 baud rate. Now we will run it out and we will see that what is the status. So they said it's 000. Now when I will click the simulate motion, now you can see that it is showing 111. Okay, and again it becomes 0. So this is actually the main thing. Okay, so now we want to declare one more pin is output, and we will connect our LED with it. Okay, so we will say 10 output, 10 output. Now our LED will be connected with that of this pin number digital pin number 10, and we will write here digital write. Okay, digital write. What is digital write? We will write here 10 comma high. 10 comma high. Okay, and also we need to write if a is equal to 1, that if it is 1 in the A, then digital write 10 comma high means that LED must be on, because 1 means or high means 5 volt on the corresponding pin. And if A is equal to 0, then digital write 10 comma low. Digital write 10 comma low. So now we will run it out. Now I will click on okay. We also need to connect the LED. So LED negative pin must be connected with this ground, and LED positive pin must be connected with the pin number nano 10. Okay, now we will run it out. And when we click on simulate motion, our LED is on, and it will become off as soon as the status is low. Okay, again you can see it. So this is a very basic motion detector simulation with the help of Arduino Nano and PIR sensor within Wokwi online simulator. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.